of you who have not given their presentation, may I request you, please give your presentation so that I can give you full marks.
So
Right?
I have a question. Sir, personal presentation या group presentation की बात कर रहे हैं आप?
Whatever is possible for individuals, because now it is fag end. We have to close all the marks now and upload the internal marks.
Sir, I'm ready to present my individual presentation.
आपने तो दे दिया ना पहले
सर
सलोनी।
ग्रुप में दिया था
अच्छा
तो वह
हाँ
आपने सेकंड प्रेजेंटेशन बोला था ना इंडिविजुअल बनाना
हाँ
है।
हाँ सेकंड इंडिविजुअल प्रेजेंटेशन आपने दिया नहीं क्या सेकंड प्रेजेंटेशन?
नहीं इंडिविजुअल वाला नहीं दिया सर, ग्रुप वाला दिया था।
ओके ओके वेलकम वेलकम यू आर वेलकम यू कैन स्टार्ट.
सर आई नीड टू शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
Yes, so I'll make you the presenter. Just a minute. Yes, you are the presenter now.
So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Just a second.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, sir, and to all my peers present today. I will be presenting on the topic if I were to be the CEO. Our topics of interest in this presentation are going to be essentials to becoming a CEO, an excellent individual case study, giant shoulders we stand upon, and finally becoming a CEO. Let's start with the objective one, the essentials. Here I have compiled the most important aspects of being a leader or a CEO. They are adaptability and agility, ability to thrive amid high competition, ability to balance polarities, ingrain inclusivity, focus on Indian values and ethics, communication skills, listening skills, ability to read social cues, management skills, ability to think creatively, operate with honesty across all levels, good governance, managing bureaucracy, drive for local solutions, patience with self and colleagues, ability to give back to the surrounding and environment. After looking at the key requirements any aspiring leader and or CEO we need to have, let's take a look towards an excellent inspiration of an individual for a better understanding towards our analysis of what it takes to be a remarkable CEO. Let's take a look at a case study of the best example for an inspiration, Narayan Murthy, the ideal CEO. N.R. Narayan Murthy, a legendary co-founder and now retired chairman of the Indian tech giant Infosys, a revered entrepreneur who has been self-made and inspiring all upcoming younger generations. He has now retired from the position of chairman of Infosys, a company that presently has market capitalization of rupees 5 trillion, also known as market cap, as of October 2020, which started with just rupees 10,000. Mr. Narayan Murthy is influenced by Mahatma Gandhi, who walked his talk. And as demonstrated by Mr. Murthy's own words, I want to be a doer and respect people who do things rather than just talk. Let's talk about his leadership style, his underlying principle to do something you are confident of and have the capability of doing so. This helps laying the foundation to build healthy relationships. Mr. Murthy also believes that it's better to have a small part of a large growing pie than large part of small shrinking one. Simple living, high thinking. Mr. Murthy is a man who believes in a simple living, high thinking. Even though he has an astounding personal wealth, his lifestyle remains quite modest in comparison. Under promising and over delivering. He has tremendous respect for people and sound philosophy of under promising and over delivering. This helps him build a healthy long term relationship with his colleagues, employees, family, friends, business associates, and network of shareholders. Pioneer in HRM. Mr. Murthy says that is an HR-based industry. Software is a knowledge business, hence the focus is shifted to brainware. It was he who started ESOPs or Employee Stock Ownership Plan, which actually gives workers ownership interest in the company. It is very common in industry to have ESOPs, but it has done wonders for Infosys. Thus, Narayan Murthy has honestly become an awe-inspiring role model for all professionals. Positive style. Mr. Murthy has a positive style of leadership. In essence, a leader which promotes his followers to work hard by offering them rewards. Mr. Murthy promotes as per abilities. His beliefs always lie in honesty and loyalty. Participative style. The authority is decentralized. Mr. Murthy founded Infosys with six other professionals. The decision was taken wholeheartedly, and he was then the CEO of the company for the next 21 years from 1981 to 2002, which advertently leads us to the strengths of Infosys. Cost effectiveness. As the company is based in India, the workforce has a relatively high skill level in IT with low cost compared to other international counterparts. Because of that, and an operational basis that offers low cost based, highly skilled competitive advantage. Trained Indian personnel often speak fluent English and are sensitive towards the Western culture, creating a global impact and standing. Finance position. Infosys is in a strong financial position amongst its peer businesses. The business turned over more than $4 billion. This means that it has the capital to expand and also the basis to leverage potential investors. Global presence. The company has bases in 44 development centers, most of which are located in India, although the company has offices in many developed and developing nations. This means that not only that Infosys is becoming a global brand, but also that it has the capability to support the global operations of multinational clients. But this strength is not built overnight. It requires strenuous amounts of strategy and application of effective methods that specifically pertain to interpersonal dynamic and conflict resolutions. These are active listening, defining clear goals to work towards, encouraging development of mutual respect, ensuring an individual's contributions are valued, clearly expressing culture of the organization in an inspirational way, engendering good two-way dialogue, identifying individuals' capabilities and build on them, delegating work clearly and appropriately, proactively seeking and giving feedback, acknowledging and celebrating an individual's success, effectively addressing questions and concerns, articulating a compelling vision and purpose for team and business. 100% focus on individual when meeting one-on-one, keeping an individual appropriately informed. These methods, procedures, actions, and experiences have contributed extensively to the company's vision and mission today. The corporate vision is a short, succinct, and an inspiring statement of what the organization intends to become and to achieve in the future. The vision it tends to refer to the category of intentions that are broad, all-inclusive, and forward-thinking. It is the image of which a business must have of its goals before it sets out to reach them. It describes aspirations for the future without specifying the means that it will be used to achieve those desired ends. Here, I have stated the vision and mission of Infosys International Incorporated. The vision states to help our clients meet their goals through our people, services, and solutions. The mission states dedicated to providing the people, services, and solutions our clients need to meet the information technology challenges and business goals. Here is how Mr. Murthy, as a CEO, maintains the brilliant image that gets reflected through the company. By working to understand the needs and requirements of our clients before proposing a solution, develop responsive proposals that provide cost-effective solutions to our clients' needs, deploy the right mix of people and products to deliver value-added services and solutions to our clients, follow up on the quality of our services and solutions to our clients, and then appreciate the trust that our clients put in us as we work with them to improve their business and information technology. Mr. Murthy has stated, our vision is to I want this to be a place where people of different races, nationalities, and religious belief work together in an environment of intense competition, but utmost courtesy and dignity, to add greater and greater value to our customers day after day. Just like we have received respect in India, I want Infosys to be the most respected company in every country that it operates in. To achieve this dream, Mr. Murthy has provided the following points. The company needs to remain in existence for the next 250 years. The de-risking strategy at Infosys ensures there is a backer for every position. It is not one person, but a team that looks at every decision. Thus, at Infosys, it is a leadership of ideas and meritocracy that derives every decision. We have a depth of leaders within the organization, currently with 500 leaders being part of a leadership training program and mentoring program. Every decision is supported by a strong portfolio of systems, processes, and technology. The value system of the company is time and context invariant. We will continue to have mindset of a small company even as we grow and scale. As a very famous quotation by Isaac Newton goes, if I have seen further than others, it is by standing upon the shoulder of giants, which means that each discovery in mankind is made by having prior knowledge of failures and successes of those that came before. Here is a quote by Mr. Narayan Murthy, applicable to our topic today and relatable to Newton's quote prior mentioned. I believe that we have all at some time eaten the fruit from trees that we did not plant. In the fullness of time, when it is our turn to give, it behoves us in turn to plant gardens that we may never eat the fruit of, which will largely benefit generations to come. I believe this is a sacred responsibility, one that I hope you will shoulder in time. I believe that this quote or thought is a build on Newton's quote, describing how the generations before us have planted tree or a log of successes and failures for the future generations. Us, as a part of future generation, have the duty to maintain the upkeep of these trees or ideas and history for the next generation to come, leaving in places our own experiences and collection of successes and failures. Blessed with brilliant mind and acute business sense, Mr. Murthy has successfully led key corporate governance initiatives in India, and his lessons have often been sought out after by leaders and managers throughout the globe. With leaders or CEOs like Narayan Murthy, the youth today have so much to learn. Taking note of his teachings will benefit us incredibly, and analyzing his methods would lead us to becoming leaders to our own success stories and journeys. In this slide, we will look at some values that youth of today and those of tomorrow should take with them through life. Lessons include respect of transparency. Murthy often says, when in doubt, disclose. Murthy always stands by being open and transparent. According to him, the leader has to create an environment where each person feels secure enough to be able to disclose his or her mistakes and resolves to improve. Being generous. Infosys decided to share a portion of its equity with employees. This helped them retain talent and gave employees a sense of ownership. Murthy is proud to have given away stocks worth over rupees 1,000 crore to global benchmarking. Narayan Murthy believes that global benchmarking helps serve the customer better. It also helps in competing best. Once you reach can be measured and controlled, you know that can be improved. Maintaining values. He describes a superior organization as one where employees at all levels are driven by values and no employee is high or important enough to put with non-compliance. Compliance to a value system creates an environment for people to have high aspirations, high self-esteem, a strong belief in fundamental values, confidence in the future, and enthusiasm necessary to take up difficult tasks. Embrace simplicity. Narayan Murthy lives a simple life and has a middle class house. He has always been accessible to people around him. Murthy is known to be frugal with money. However, he does not compromise on buying books or brushing on literature. Keep learning. Narayan Murthy encourages learning and encourages the youth to learn constantly, investing in training, development, and building facilities. He has always been keen on nurturing the younger generation and welcomes young talent. Now we shall revisit our main statement of this presentation. If I were to be a CEO, firstly, here's a quote by myself. By believing in myself, staying positive, and maintaining balance, I too can achieve everything that I desire. By Saloni Varshney. To conclude this presentation, let me start by a very appropriate quote by Sergio Marchionne, the CEO of FCA and Ferrari, who has stated, "The true value of a CEO should be measured in terms of her human impact on the organization, on her ability to develop leaders who have the courage to challenge the status quo, to pioneer uncharted paths, to break away from competition and go beyond tired and the tested." After looking into how Mr. Narayan Murthy brought about a company worth trillions of rupees from nothing more than just rupees 10,000. Sheer resilience and passion. It inspires not only me, but I'm willing to bet everyone present here that we too can become exceptional individuals as long as we follow the examples like that of Narayan Murthy. Here are some values I have compiled and learned from researching on this presentation. You might fail, but learn from that failure and move on. To think big, don't be afraid to start small. Sharing is caring. Make hay while the sun shines. Founders might be keepers, but not forever. Become rich, but with honesty, and do good, look good. Thank you.
Very good presentation indeed. Uh, you have really given us the main qualities that Infosys founder Mr. Narayan Murthy adopted, and you also tried to follow the footstep given by Narayan Murthy. Excellent presentation, wonderful presentation. You worked very hard and prepared well.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
Aditi, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are recording the marks of everyone. So
Uh,
kindly write down Saloni's marks also 9 out of 10.
okay,
Very
sir. Sir, one more question.
yeah.
Sir, this individual presentation only Saloni has completed now. Rest everyone is left. So, sir, how will we complete it? Because next week we have Diwali and all also. So we won't get that enough time to for everyone to cover up the presentation.
We will have extra classes, no problem. On Diwali also we can have class, no problem. Let everybody come and speak out.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, next speaker. Next speaker, please. Whosoever is willing to speak.
So can we give it in the next class if that's possible?
Fine, no problem.
Okay, sir.
I have to actually, I do not know when the last date will come. If the last date will come, I will have to upload marks. So I want all of you to give your presentation before that.
So 20th November is the last date for
Huh?
entering US marks.
Pardon me?
20th November is the last date for entering the CWS marks.
Right. So, I will need 2 days before that. So you consider it's like say 14 or 17 or 18. Till that time, all of you should give your presentation, because if it is last date, then I also need some time. I'll have to upload the marks. Before last date, I want to upload the marks. That is why I'm saying all of you should give your presentation and become free. Right? So that is my suggestion. And the quality of presentation that we have seen has improved tremendously. Saloni has given a very good presentation, truly excellent presentation, and this is a high standard, right?
सर
Very
मेरे
good.
को इसके बारे में एक चीज पूछनी है however सर 9 आउट ऑफ 10 में वो पूछना है कि 10 आउट ऑफ 10 में क्या रह गया मेरे
हाँ तो
प्रेजेंटेशन
10
में
आउट ऑफ 10 कर देते हैं ना। मैं तो खुद ही यही चाहता था कि आप वो बोलें, सजेशन दें कि सर व्हाई नॉट 10 आउट ऑफ 10. So Aditi, please make it 10 out of 10. Fine. So this
Okay,
Saloni's
sir. Sure, sir.
suggestion has been well taken. I've taken Saloni's suggestion in a positive spirit, and this is a very good suggestion. Please ask Aditi to correct it to 10 out of 10. Fine.
yes sir,
Sir, done.
thank you
Yes.
sir.
सर
I
सर
cannot
एक
give
क्वेश्चन
1
है
out of 10.
नेक्स्ट 2 weeks में सर we'll only have around 4 to 5 classes Sir, it won't
अरे
be
एक्स्ट्रा
possible
क्लास ले लेंगे ना, तुम
for us
तो
to
बोलो मुझे
present.
अभी
Sir,
बोलो, अभी हम
बाकी
एक्स्ट्रा क्लास ले लेंगे।
सर बाकी
अभी यार
सब्जेक्ट
हो
में भी
तो अभी
सर
अपन 11 बजे तक ले लेंगे क्लास, नो प्रॉब्लम।
सर बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में भी सर काफी सारा होमवर्क मिल रहा है, क्योंकि सर उन
हाँ,
सब्जेक्ट्स में भी टीचर्स को सर क्विज
लेंगे
असाइनमेंट
तो
सबके
कौन
मार्क्स
बोल रहे
सबमिट
हो?
कर।
एक मिनट, तुम्हारा नाम बोलना।
क्या सर?
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
सर सार्थक।
सार्थक। अच्छा,
यस सर।
तुम क्या इतने बिजी हो गए हो कि तुम्हें इस सब्जेक्ट के लिए बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है?
नहीं सर, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा
नहीं
इसके
है
लिए
तो कोई
टाइम।
बात नहीं, नहीं है तो तुम छोड़ दो कि मुझे नहीं माता बच्ची करनी, बस कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
सर आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि जैसे बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के टीचर्स
अरे
भी
तो
सर
तुम स्टूडेंट
एक्स्ट्रा
हो तो
काम।
स्टूडेंट को तो टाइम तो देना ही पड़ेगा ना, सारे पेपर तो पढ़ने ही पड़ेंगे, उसमें क्या है? दिस इज नॉट अ बिग डील, राइट? तुम लोगों को भी टाइम निकालना है, हमको भी टाइम निकालना है, यही तो टाइम है। ये ऐसे एक्सक्यूज छोड़ो, ये अच्छी बात नहीं है।
इतना नहीं होता जितना घर पे भी रहता है।
अरे
आप
तुम रात
सर
में आ जाओ ना,
आगे हम लोग को टाइम निकालना रहता है,
टाइम नहीं
बट
मिलता,
देंगे।
तुम रात में 12 बजे आ जाओ, मैं 12 बजे ऑनलाइन तुम्हारी क्लास प्रेजेंटेशन लगा दूंगा, तुम काहे को टेंशन करते हो?
और अगर आप
तुम कह रहे हो दिन में टाइम नहीं मिलता, रात में आ जाओ, रात में 12 बजे आ जाओ, नो
12
प्रॉब्लम,
बजे फ्री रहते हैं,
आई विल बी अवेलेबल। तुम्हारी क्लासेस 9 to 6 होगी ना, मैं 6 के बाद अवेलेबल हूँ, 9 से पहले अवेलेबल हूँ भाई। 9:30 से पहले तुम्हारा कोई क्लास नहीं है। आई एम अवेलेबल बिफोर 9:30। You tell me this is the time I am available, I will be available for you, right? If Saloni can do it, everybody can do it. I mean, हो सकता है सलोनी जितना अच्छा नहीं कर पाए आप लोग, बट नो प्रॉब्लम। आप पीपीटी नहीं बनाए वो भी जरूरी नहीं है। वॉट एवर टाइम परमिट्स यू, वॉट एवर सूट्स यू, यू रीड अबाउट ग्रेट लीडर्स, डेवलप योर स्किल्स, डेवलप योर कैपेबिलिटीज। जिंदगी में स्ट्रगल करने की जो स्पिरिट है वही सीखना है, क्योंकि the life ahead, right, will convert some of you into greatest CEOs of our time, and some of you will remain laggards. आप में से कुछ लोग खाली पिछलगू रहेंगे, बेरोजगार रहेंगे, बिना नौकरी रहेंगे, कोई उपाय नहीं है उनका। लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनमें बहुत जबरदस्त क्षमता है, बहुत जबरदस्त क्षमता है। तो उन लोगों को जिनमें बहुत जबरदस्त क्षमता है, पोटेंशियल है, राइट, एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड की स्पिरिट आनी चाहिए, एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट बनाने की एक झील बननी चाहिए, और उनको अपने अंदर की कैपेबिलिटीज को डेवलप करना है, शार्पन करना है, और उसका आगे रास्ता क्या होगा बस वो बताना है। हाउ दे कैन बिकम ग्रेट CEO, दैट इज व्हाट दे हैव टू शेयर। It does not require you to learn any quantitative technique. It doesn't require you to learn any formula. It requires you to explore yourself. It requires you to take inspiration from great leaders, and it requires you to prepare your own course of action. How will you transform yourself to be great leader of the tomorrow? That is what we require, right? Due to Corona, all of you are at home, so your substantial time is saved. Had you been in the university, your time would have been devoted in transportation. Had you been in university, your time would have been spent in a computer lab or other laboratories, right? Your substantial time is saved. Now use this substantial time that is saved in constructive work. Read about, read biographies of great leaders, read information about great outstanding leaders, corporate leaders, and then prepare your own path. What we expect from you, you have to know. And how will you reach those goals? That is what you have to narrate. That's all. It's so simple, right? Are you clear? What is our expectation? Are you clear? How are you going to meet those expectations? Right? That is what we want. These are the two simple things. Of course, I believe all of you cannot reach that height, but my purpose is, if there are 30 students, I should try to request each one of them, yes, you can. Try to ask yourself, try to just push yourself a little bit more, and each one of you can become the CEO of the future corporates. Each one of you. I know each one of you can do. Whether you really accept or not, that is up to you. That is a problem. If you will accept, yes, you will be able to make it. Yes, Siddharth. When you will give your presentation? Sarthak, sorry, Sarthak. When will you give your presentation?
Yes, sir.
कब
Sir,
दोगे?
I'll give this week then. Sir, Thursday or Friday, sir.
Ah, very good. That's positive. Very positive. Very good. Excellent. Or if you don't get time, you can call me. We can schedule your presentation later on also, after classes also. No problem.
No, sir, I'll try my best to give on Thursday, Friday.
Fine. That's
Last-
great. That's great. That's good. Yes. Anyone else who is prepared?
Sir, we'll give it a